Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and I'm going to show you an undone watch today. And Undone has really outdone themselves. This is the Calavera Neón, and it glows when you hit a black light on it. All neons, it looks amazing, so let's check it out. Alright, this watch comes with some fun custom packaging. The afterlife is just one big after party. As you can see, the best part about this watch is the dial. Fluorescent painted sugar skull. The chrono subdials are the eyes of the sugar skull, and then on the back of the watch, you've got a little skeleton rocking out. So the Calavera also comes with this black light, and let me show you how cool this is. Alright, I love it. Now let's put it on the wrist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember you can find this watch and 1,000 other cool watches on Watches.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.